time now. Ah, where they go? Swap Tiger down on the inside. Golden Song. Ferrari 1 on the federal side. And moving up has Magic in the middle. Best Asset. Down on the inside is New Golden City. Golden Song is now the leader, followed by Has Magic, 1A, Ferrari 1. Best Asset is Racing Port by Happland. Swap Tiger down on the inside. New Golden City alongside is Wowful. Then comes Money for a Prying Eyes, Real Excellent. Entry number 8, Dugus Fantasy, while Pound for Pound is the early trailer. Golden Song Has Magic is running by Darrell. Ferrari 1 is racing in third by Happyland. Best Asset is racing in fourth by Sam Forlines. New Golden City down on the inside. Money for up from the outside. Best Asset, Wowful, Prying Eyes, Real Excellent, Dugus Fantasy, and Pound for Pound still running at the tail of the field. Golden Song by a length and a half. Ferrari 1 is running in second. And moving up from the outside is New Golden City. Best Asset, Prying Eyes, together with Money for Up, racing towards the final turn. And into the exciting and long Santana stretch run with Golden Song is still the leader. Ferrari 1 is on the outside. And Swap Tiger, Money for Up, New Golden City. Ferrari 1, Money for Up, rushing up from the outside. Pound for Pound moves up to take the lead. And finally, Pound for Pound. Money for Up, Wowful, 1A, Ferrari 1, Golden Song, Prying Eyes.